Hello and welcome. I'm Jonathan.
And I'm Amy.
And this is J&A
Travel Day. So we want to do a quick video about the Drayton Hotel that we're staying at here in Savannah, Georgia this weekend. And it was actually a boutique hotel that was bought by Hilton Curio Collection in 2023. Curious, does it still have the boutique hotel feel? But it is a beautiful hotel.
So when you walk in, this is your lobby. Very classic furniture and decor. On the far end over here is called Corner Coffee, and this is the coffee shop that is open in the mornings that you can come grab coffee and a light snack. So they have some blueberry scones and croissants, and they also have hot and cold coffees and some food items you can get as well.
There's of course some meeting rooms that looks lovely.
And the meeting room you could actually use for the restaurant as well. So if you have a large group, you could utilize this for your dinner, business dinner we'll call it. Then as we walk to the other side, it is the restaurant.
It is a lovely area, and the neat thing is there is a resort fee associated with the hotel, but it includes a $15 food and beverage credit per room per night. So you can utilize that at this breakfast, lunch, dinner location.
And they do brunch as well.
Yeah, so just a super, super nice area and a nice little perk that you can do that. And that's in addition to food and beverage credit if you're gold or diamond with Hilton.
And that gives you another $15?
Yeah, so $45 a day total if you have 2 people in your room.
All right, so as we were walking through the restaurant, Alex, one of the restaurant managers, let us come into this room, and it is called the Mural Room, and it's 2 sisters.
Yeah.
They painted this room. One started on one end, one started on the other end, and then they met in the middle and made this beautiful mural on the wall. So this is open for dinner service. Obviously, when the restaurant does get a little bit busier, but this room is very, very pretty.
Gorgeous.
And it's just a different style than the room that we just came out of, which is their main dining and bar area. So super cool. If you have a chance to check it out, then come on down for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. All right, so we are up on floor 5 for our room, and you can see they have like a very boutique style flooring and the paint scheme, but 507, this is a
Premium double.
Premium double room. It's one of 2 premium double rooms on this floor, but welcome in. Welcome into room 507. Immediate impression, right? You got the hardwood floor, you got the antique style rug. It is a 2 double bed setup.
And I will also say there is so much light in this room. It's so much brighter than most hotel rooms you go to. And it helps that there's the 2 windows, but also just in general, especially that overhead light. I feel like hotels don't have overhead lighting anymore. So that's super nice.
And this has 2 windows in the room. One of them is looking out at the river, which is the Savannah River. And then the other one is actually looking out to a parking garage that we want to point out. So this parking garage is on Bryant Street. The hotel charges around $48 a day to valet your car. This location is far cheaper, self-parking, 24 hours, and you can overnight it. So if you're looking for a cheaper option for parking, take a look at the Bryant Street parking garage.
Yeah, definitely. And like here now is a kind of a beverage station bar area. You have your little fridge. There's some shelving on that side should you need it. Coffee maker, Nespresso, some pods, creamer, sugars, and then it has like this old school radio.
Which does still work. If you click it 1 click to the right.
Oh, is that the secret?
And then you tune the knob. There you go.
Nailed it.
So it does still work, which is
does.
super cool. AM, FM radio, which you definitely do not see that in any hotels anymore.
And it's neat too. They have the old school phone. And again, these are, old school updated, items, but the style. little phone, super cute. Love that it kind of matches. And then in the closet, tons of storage, hanging storage. They give you 2 robes, a steamer, safe, some drawers, and a nice little touch. They give you an umbrella should you need it. So I thought that was really cool that they do provide that.
Last but not least, let's take a look at the bathroom.
But first.
Oh, but wait, there's more.
It said plush bedding on the website. They are not joking. This bedding was magical. I have to give them credit for that. These pillows are fantastic. They're not flat. They don't like immediately depress on you. 10 out of 10. Slept very well. Bathroom. Love the style. Love the subway tile. Love the paint. It's a little dark, I will say, but it's a lovely setup. My only other critique I will give is there's no vanity space. They do provide this mirror, but it's not lighted and it's dim. So, you know, it is what it is, but it's a great space. You can make it work, and there's so much light in here. You can, you know, get ready in the morning. Fine.
Yeah. So just a beautiful room to stay in, and a great location.
Perfect
right near the
location.
Riverwalk. Everything is walking distance.
Mm-hmm.
So it's a great spot to be if you have family and you just want to explore downtown Savannah.
So now we're heading up to the top rooftop floor because they have also included in that resort fee the golden hour, and you get 2 drinks and an appetizer. Someone else called it a snack, so we'll see how big it is. But yeah, we're gonna go check it out. It's every day 2 to 5. And we did see 98% of you are not subscribed. So like and subscribe if you're enjoying it.
Please. We're up at the rooftop area, also known as the Penthouse area. So they have an outdoor seating area. And while the wall is high, I understand, if you do come up to the edge here, you can see the Savannah River and you can see the Riverwalk. So it's really pretty up here. Plenty of seats to lounge and hang out. We're the only ones up here, and it's 10 after 2, so that could explain it. They just opened up. So we're gonna take a seat, see what the menu is, get a drink or 2, have a light snack, and just relax.
Came up to the little Penthouse area, and you get a little snack trio, and then we each got our drink. I got a spritz of some kind without alcohol in it. And then what did you get?
I got the Get Figgy with it. So we'll take a look at the menu. There's other things you could order up here. They've got oysters on the half shell and shrimp cocktail and some light snacks. I think the biggest thing would be the burger. This is the only meal option or light snack option that is included. But just beautiful view up here.
Yeah.
Amy tried her drink already and it was very good.
It's good, refreshing.
I'm gonna give a try to mine now and see how it is. Mix of an old fashioned, a little sweetness to the end. It's actually really, really good, but just a beautiful venue up here. Come hang out in and just relax. So we're gonna enjoy our light snack now. All right, so the next stop in our hotel is a bar that's in the basement. It's called Sweet Tooth, and it is a candy shop themed bar. So we're gonna go in and check it out, maybe grab a drink down here. All right, so this is really cool. It is a candy shop, and it's broken up into different areas. So there's the gummy garden over there, and then the Teddy Tunnel is over here, right next to us. We are sitting with some Swedish fish. It's called the Soda Stream over here, and there's some candy on the wall. So just a really cool looking place. But let's take a look at the menu.
A Candyland
It's a
style
Candyland
menu.
style menu. So it's broken up into different areas. The popsicle patch, which is fitting because there's the popsicle patch right there. And each area of this bar is represented on the menu.
So I think we won't need to go through everything on the menu, although it does look super cute. But I think we're to decide what we're leaning towards.
Yeah, I think
And
I'm
get a
going to be
couple.
getting the Candy Pharmacy, which is bourbon, coconut, cherry chili, chocolate, and milk wash.
And I think I'm leaning towards the berry bathtub, lemon, blueberry, raspberry, vanilla, and gin. But we will see if I like that.
And the great part about this is you can use your resort credit that you have here at this bar as well.
Okay, so I got my berry bathtub. And
served in a bathtub.
Served in a bathtub. And Jonathan got his candy pharmacy served with coconut jelly beans in a little prescription bottle. Adorable.
So we did talk to the waitress or the bartender. So this theming changes every 3 months here, which is incredible. They've done
Alice in
Wonderland, a Clue themed one, a Naughty Santa, they said. So just a really cool atmosphere, and it's awesome that they change this every 3 months. A lot of work.
Yeah. So I'm gonna try my berry bathtub. Again, I'm usually not an alcohol drinker, so let's see. I never had bathtub gin.
Strong?
I mean, for me, because I'm a lightweight, but it's not actually that bad. It's very sweet. It's candy.
An old-fashioned-esque type of drink. That is really smooth. It's not strong. Slightly on the coconutty side. You can taste a little bit of the chocolate. That's really good and very dangerous because I know it's strong because I watched her put the shots of alcohol in it. Let me try my little coconut jelly bean. Tastes like a jelly bean. A cool little addition to the drink though, and it's served in my pill bottle, so it's really cool. Good morning, everyone.
Morning.
Welcome to day 2 at the Drayton Hotel. And this is going to be our final review video of what we feel about the Drayton.
Yeah, because we wanted to eat here before we kind of gave a final opinion.
So we just got done with breakfast, and it was great.
So good.
It has your standard breakfast. They have some sausage on the side. They have bacon. They have a Parmesan tater tot,
really
which were
good.
really good. I had French toast.
And I had their just breakfast platter.
The Drayton platter.
Yeah.
And overall, the meal cost us only $15. I had, again, French toast, a side of tater tots, and coffee. And Amy had the Drayton platter with a Diet Coke. Now, full cost, $60.
With tip.
With tip. However, because we had our $30 food and beverage credit and then our $15 resort fee credit, it costs $15.
Yeah.
So how could you go wrong? It's a great way to start your morning, fills you up, and now we can head on out and enjoy the rest of our day on a full belly.
Yeah. And so just overall, kind of our experience here at the Drayton, fantastic. Like
Yes.
we really enjoyed the hotel. It's beautiful. The employees are so sweet, and it's just really a nice place to stay.
Yeah, everybody's been awesome here. Front desk, the restaurant, the bars that we've had drinks in. So overall, if you are looking for a good spot to stay, centrally located, easy to get around, you got to come check it out and enjoy because you don't need to move your car.
Yeah.
Once you're parked and once you're checked in, leave your car and just walk around. So.
Yep, definitely. But thanks so much for watching.
Yeah, thanks again for watching, folks. We hope you got some tips and tricks out of this video, and we'll see you on our next one.
Bye.
Have a great day, everybody. See y'all later.